How High in the Rainforest? Rainforest Animal Habitats by Monica Davies. Welcome to the tropical rainforest. Hidden in South America is the diverse world of the Amazon rainforest. Millions of species call this rainy place home. Step inside. The forest floor is the bottom layer of the rainforest. Here, the sun barely shines through. Because it's so dark, not much grows here. Hidden in the dirt are recyclers. Centipedes, slugs, beetles, and termites eat dead leaves. Their poop adds nutrients to the soil. The forest floor feeds many animals. Meet the giant armadillo. Its claws are built to dig. Armadillos enjoy tasty meals of beetles and other bugs. Wild pigs sniff out bugs and roots. Small rodents find food here too. The next layer is the understory. Here, shadows linger. Only a bit of sunlight peeks through. Plants must sprout wide leaves. This helps them soak up skinny rays of sun. Red-eyed tree frogs may catch your eye. Their bright eyes surprise their enemies. They live here in the shadows. The humid air keeps the frog's skin moist. The shadows are also perfect for hunters. Jaguars crouch on tree branches, then pounce. They leap on their prey on the forest floor. Higher up is the roof of the rainforest. Here, tree branches weave together. They form a thick covering called the canopy. The canopy is about as high as a 10-story building. Sloths curl up in the treetops. Up here, they chew on a feast of leaves. When they sleep, their long claws hold them steady. Animals and plants that live in the canopy are adapted for this high, wet layer. Leaves are shaped so rain drips off quickly. Animals that live this high can all fly, leap, or swing. Toucans soar past. Spider monkeys swing from tree to tree looking for fruit. Look up, way up. At the tip top of the rainforest is the emergent layer. Here, the trees can stretch up to 200 feet tall. It is hot because these trees get full sun. Up top, every day is different. Some days the rains crash down. There are also many dry days. These tall trees have small, waxy leaves. This helps them retain water when it is dry. To live this high, an animal must be nimble. Squirrel monkeys are light on their feet. They can run along thin branches. The harpy eagle perches up here. It can be hard for this bird to spot its prey. The treetops are too thick. Instead, it uses its sharp hearing. It preys on sloths and other mammals. You never know which animals you will meet in this wet world. Macaws soar up high, iguanas hide in the trees. Capybaras roam the forest floor. So many species in this tall green oasis. Layers of a rainforest. At the bottom is the forest floor. About 16 feet above is the understory layer, and then the canopy layer can raise to 100 feet tall. And then the emergent layer comes out on top about 100 to 200 feet tall. Our words were canopy, diverse, emergent layer, forest floor, humid, nutrient, oasis, retain, understory.